Warroom is full of really actionable content. If you're interested in learning things, you have an opportunity to really pin the investment to an ROI. And that's not true in a lot of groups that you're a part of, or that you can be a part of.
Warroom's going to really explode your business in terms of network, content, strategies, and it really kind of gives you a net underneath your business in case you need that help, in case you need someone to speak to and solve that problem fast. You've got that network and you've got that safety net, which you don't otherwise have unless you're in a mastermind like Warroom.
As time has gone on, I've decided to stay in Warroom and be a part of Warroom because, amongst many other things, it's really outcome oriented. I think fundamentally, relationships are the starting point for everything else in life. So whether it's something that you accomplish from a business perspective or a personal perspective, it all drills back to some relationship that you have.
Literally, this is my first Warroom, and it's some of the best people that I've been around.
For me, it was a choice to have that safety net under me and also meet and explode the actual growth of my business. It's a really helpful group of people that allows you to grow your business and also avoid all the pitfalls that you'll otherwise make that you wouldn't otherwise be aware of.
Network with other individuals that are like-minded in a variety of businesses, and then Warroom with all the speakers is the bonus.
Warroom is where I wanted to be because I actually already have clients that are members of Warroom. Warroom is great because it's a bunch of like-minded entrepreneurs and business owners who are here not just to help themselves but to help others, and just the wisdom that's being shared from the stage and just across the table is fantastic.
Anybody that's thinking about Warroom, particularly if you're assessing it against other groups.
If you're thinking about joining Warroom, you'd have to have a business which is currently running and you're looking to explode.
My biggest takeaway this time was something that Ryan said. Being humble is giving yourself credit and not dismissing your own ideas.